Hey everyone, welcome back to Mani Maker. Ever wanted to make your own custom temporary tattoo at home without any fancy tools or confusing steps? That's exactly where your Silhouette Machines comes in. It lets you turn any design into a fun, wearable tattoo in just a few steps. But if you're not sure which materials to use, how to print, or how to cut everything perfectly, don't worry. I've broken it all down for you in this video. So let's begin with the steps right away. Alright, first of all, you need to load your design into Silhouette Studio. Now, once you've got your design in there, head over to the page setup panel. Just make sure you've selected the right machine that you're working with. Next up, you'll need to set your feed type, your cutting mat, and your media size. Okay, now this part's important. Go to the Registrations Mark tab and make sure that's turned on. Once that's all set, you can go ahead and close the page setup panel. Alright, now select your design and then you're going to click on Offset Selected Shapes. You'll find that right up in the Quick Access toolbar. So what you're doing here is selecting Offset and then you just set a small distance. Once you've got that dialed in, just click Apply. Perfect. Now once that's done, go ahead and click the printer icon in the Quick Access toolbar. This will open the print preview screen. From here, just click Print, select your printer, and then hit Preferences. Take a quick look at the settings in the Preferences window. Just make sure everything looks good and you can close it out. Alright, now just click Print and let your printer do its thing. It will print your tattoo design. Okay, while that's printing, let's go over to your machine and power it on. Now, you should take the protective sheet and place it on the ES bed. Just smooth it down nice and flat. Next, grab your clean carrier sheet and peel off that sticky part on the top. What you're doing now is lining up the carrier sheet on the top of your printed design. Then, you have to peel off the backing sheet. As you're peeling away that backing sheet, you want to lay down the carrier sheet really carefully. Take your time with this part. Now, grab your scraper and scrape down the carrier sheet. You want to make sure there are no air pockets trapped underneath. Once you've got all smooth, place it on top of ES bed and press it down to make sure it's sticking really well. Alright, now just load it into the machine and start cutting. So once it's done cutting, go ahead and turn off the ES mat and then you can lift the material off. Now you need to pop out the design from all that excess material around it. Next step, peel off the top carrier sheet. Alright, here's the fun part. Apply the design onto your skin wherever you want and press it down firmly. Now, take a wet paper towel or cloth, place it on the top of the design. If it feels too dry, just spray it down a little bit. Let that sit for a few seconds and then you can remove the paper towel and carefully peel off the paper backing. And there you go. The tattoo design should be transferred perfectly onto your skin. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.